some spin that. Oh, that's spin. No, what is that? Oh, let me see. Just do this on a second. Where it's just this on it. Where it's just tapping. Like this one. Where it's this one. On the second one. It was actually explode. So yeah, keep being bigger on my two sides. Very cool. No, it's fine. Oh no, not the bed is stuck to the drum again. Cords. Never mind, no, it's not cords. Bed and going to the drum again. I want this to spin perfectly. This machine batter spin perfectly. Or else I'm not doing the washing it again. No, I am doing that. Luna, it's not doing that. Luna, my dad is not spinning that. I need to get a new thing. So probably be just spinning this off section at the end or whatever. I wanted to say it's been perfectly fine for I want to put it under, like, on my cotton doesn't, for this model doesn't have a nice thing on it, really is, only on like the older ones and the newer ones, so like the old cottons, and like whether I just be doing that with the nice thing on it, you know, it's actually fine cotton, it's only really nice cotton, but you know, it's really nice cotton.